Good evening. I'm gonna show you how to impress your family and friends on piano. Today we've got Happy Birthday. Carol of the Bells. Love it always matters.
Love is all that matters.
Love
Love is all that matters.
is all that matters.
Teka lang. Yung ano pa? Yung...
Ay, ganyan kasi yun. I didn't say the name, but that was Jingle Bells. Now we've got Love is All That Matters. Finally. Oh my. Boom. Sorry. And that is how to impress your family and friends. Thank you. Have a good night rest.